Hello, everyone. My name is Laura. I'm part of the product design team here on Whitefirm. So today we are going to see a few items related to gamification and using gamification to increase engagement. First of all, we have to see what is really gamification. So the gamification is the use of game mechanics in non-game context to engage users and drive desires and behaviors. We can use gamifications not only on apps, we can use it on workflows, we can use it on festivals, we can use it in different type of context, of course. Always has to be tailored to the users of those contexts or apps. The purpose of gamification is to make a task more enjoyable and motivating, and adding types of competition, rewards, and achievements. The idea is to to increase the engagement through adaptation to games, and feel some sort of reward every time that we complete that task or we do something similar. So the role of gamification in UX, it could help us increase engagement, and the gamification design is a powerful tool to increase user engagement and improving UX. We won't have to forget that this sense of strategy has to be tailored to the design. Of course, one example of this is like if we create a gamification experience for a social app, it won't be the similar strategy, or maybe it won't even be able to apply to a SaaS product. So it's important to always get involved in what the users need, and increase the value of the app through gamification. So as UX designers, we can solve UX challenges by implementing gamification. Users like to receive rewards and points and get a feeling of victory. Gamification works on the same psychology for increasing user interaction with the products. One of the things that we have to keep in mind during this experience or strategy is to keep control in between what we could achieve for the users. We don't want to create an experience that allow the user to feel anxious, or also don't drop the strategy and the experience for the user to feel boredom. So we have to keep tight line in between these two items to create a nice flow for the user. Of course, one of the main things, psychologically speaking, is to increase the behaviors through conditioning, operating conditioning. That this means, like, if you have a good experience, we will create rewards and something similar to that. And we can also create negative experience and give reinforcement through these two experiences, either positive or negative experiences. So the main concepts for us designers to use is points and badges and leaderboards. And the points help us to earn a sort of complement with any task that we perform. Any task that you create, it will give you a little bit of points by using the apps, and this creates a source of engagement and completion. You can, even if you have a series of tasks, you could use badges or stickers to create a recognition and creating the sense of achievements and creating milestones for the users. The users can also see where they stand compared to the others through leaderboard, and you create a sort of competition and motivation for the users. So these are simple examples of a leaderboard, some sort of badges, and the points that you get just also reward if you have a certain amount of points. Other main concepts is to create challenges and quests through the whole experience. The product could be create a great adventure for the user. This use a lot of this type of questions, challenges could be applied learning conduct and also behaviors. Like if you have a feed app, you could increase the engagement by throwing a quest through the city or something similar. And one of these examples could be and there's an app that it's a way to get to Mordor. So you should be able to see how this user, if you walk along the way, you should know the way that the user could get to Mordor into the app. So although also with another example could be, I don't know, sweat coins, and they give you also coins, digital coins, if you use the app every day, if you achieve, I don't know, 10,000 steps or something like that. So these challenges give the user a clear goal and the feeling of achievement, a sense of purpose, and we love to have a mission in a story. One of the main examples are scavenging hunts, hidden tasks, questline, current event question hunts, mission with QR codes. This could be also applied to, I don't know, festivals. I remember a festival that I went a few years back, and you could easily get, there was this dance all over the place, and you should be, the game was like, you should go and place all the QRs on your app, and you follow along. When you have all the stickers, you get a t-shirt. So this for a music festival was one of the main things and main concepts. Here we have some examples of using maps for these challenges and quests. The idea is to mark up also the line of the mission and how many steps you are to complete the whole mission. Other elements, sorry, other elements that are super useful for this type of engagements are progress bars. This is one of the main use items, actually. Progress bars are like a map for the users. They will show if they are far in the task or not, or any other type of element that you want to show. Feedback looks would be this item. It can be notification pop-ups or subtle animations that let the user know their actions have been recognized. And also they will help you to motivate you to go back to the app. We have tasks, reward, achievements, and skills. So we know that giving simple tasks to users would be useful to encourage to complete the mission if we have one, and create little goals for the users is important. One of the things that we have to keep in mind when we use tasks on challenges or or quest. It's not to perform the task too simple task or too complicated, because in that case it could be reduced. It could be a result of the reduce of engagement. So, well, and the next things are rewards and achievements. As always, we could complete a set of tasks and provide tangible rewards. This could be discounts, this could be budgets, and any other type of marketing that we could add to the app as well to increase the usage of the experience. Regarding the skills, we can visualize and incentivize the matching of specific abilities or competence that we can motivate them to continue engaging with an app or platform, and can also help users to track their progress. One of these examples could be a learning environment, or ASLA, or any other type of language. Well, we have benefits and also a dark side to this gamification. So one of the first is benefits is increased engagement, improve motivation, improve effective learning. We can improve behavior change through positive feedback and negative feedback. We could improve the skill development of any user. Let's say in a Fit app, we could use, I don't know, increase the level of performance of a WordPress if we have, and is more common in the learning and education apps also. We can promote the competition and collaboration, and we could have retention and loyalty. Well, one of the dark sides of giving a bad strategies of gamification could be over dependencies, shallow focus, can increase the unhealthy competition, can be, of course, every task has a measure, and every task could be invading privacy surveillance and promoting surveillance. We could have excessive simplification of any learning product. We could produce inequalities, and it might be that gamification is not suitable for any app or for every app. So could be, it depends on the strategy that we want to perform for the users as well, and experience. So the best gamification examples, let's see. So we have LinkedIn, that the way that LinkedIn works is that you have a way to improve yourself through learning and through the completion of your profile, and you could increase the engagement through any other sort of elements inside of LinkedIn, and this will give you the incentive to complete your profile if you see that your profile strength is intermediate or low. Duolingo could be one of the best examples of gamification. You have quests, you have rewards, you have points, you have streaks to go on and motivate yourself to learn. You have feedback from the app, like you should be able to create a streak every day. So by engaging every day, and you also have, of course, a leaderboard that helps you see in which place are you in during the app. So This is one of the best examples of gamification well done. So increases the motivation, increases the engagement, helps the user to change behaviors, and so on. So in Reddit, we have something called points by karma. So every time that you have a post done and you have upvotes, you will increase your karma. So this is one of the best ways to increase the engagement and the co-participation as well. Then we have a Starbucks app. In this app, you should be able to create payments, and also for each payment, you will receiving rewards for it. So these are the main examples. Well, so if we want to learn more about gamification, because this is a sort of introduction to the main components to increase engagement, we need to see these main exponents. We have Kevin Werbach, he's an expert in gamification, a professor at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. Werbach is a co-authored the book Game of How Game Thinking Can Revolutionize Your Business. We have Gabe Sickerman, thought leader in the field of the gamification. He has the gamification by design and the gamification revolution books. He's known for his work applying the game mechanics to marketing, education, and employee engagement. So we have Jesse Schill. We have a game designer, author, and professor of Carnegie Mellon University. Entertainment Technology Center. Skull is known for his book, The Art of Game Design, a book of lenses. And this is insightful talks on gamification and game design. Then we have Amy Jo Kim, an entrepreneur and game designer who specializes in building social games and online communities. Kim has worked with companies like Netflix, Electronic Arts, eBay, and the author of the community building of the web and the game thinking. Those are his two books. Then we have Yu-Kai Cho. Is a gamification pioneer and a creator of the Octalysis framework, which analyzes the core drives of human motivation. Cho has consulted with numerous Fortune 500 companies and recognized as a leading expert in gamification strategy and design. We can also find 90 there's a course or a tutorial on gamification by him in YouTube. Is interesting and also has a few items on gamification and how to apply it to a work environment. We have Andrzej Marczewski. Sorry, I'm feeling that I'm destroying all these names. Gamification consultant and author of Even Ninja Monkeys Likes to Play, Gamification, Game Thinking, and Motivational Design. It shares his expertise through articles, presentations, and workshops on gamification principles and the best practices. Last but not last, we have Jane McConigal. She's a game designer, author, and researcher who advocates for users' games to tackle the real-world problems and promote positive behavior change. She is known for TED Talks, books such as Reality is Broken and Super Better, and her work is on alternative reality games. So these are the main exponents. We could check it out later. And do you have any questions for me?
No questions right now, Laura. Interesting
Okay.
topic.
No questions so far.
Thank you. Well, thank you guys. This has been all. Well, this is an interesting topic, and I will try to learn more about it through this time. And well, this is the way how we can improve our experiences with the users. Thank you.